Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my finished jewelry pieces for the Bargain Bead box, Farmhouse Fresh for August. I think this was August, yeah. So I did something a little different, story of my life. So I loved the pieces, but I didn't use them together. I used all the beads together, and then all of the gunmetal findings I used with another color. So I'm kind of excited to show you because I think it looks good, but I'm excited to see what you guys think of it. Okay, so let's start with all of the beads. So this, I made a memory wire bracelet. I'm really into these lately. So this I made with all the beads. Then I didn't use the gunmetal spacers. I thought they were a little too just one color. So I went and I got some of my pretty silver floral spacer beads, and I used those instead. And then I put some pink and purple 11 Miyuki seed beads. Then I got some of my teal 80 seed beads with the 11 Miyuki pink metallic beads. So, and then I put some in this for that. I put my little silver little daggers, and it's a little pink there. So I kind of, I don't know. I looked at the box and I thought, you know, this stuff's really pretty, but I don't want to use it together. It kind of was too the same. You know, I wanted to mix up the colors and everything. So I just made this one really big chunky bracelet. I did the little charms on the ends. This is really fun to do too. I did the memory wire bracelets for Jesse James too. So I'm kind of going through a little memory wire binge here. So I made this, and then on a totally different scale, let me see here. I will show you this. I mixed the gunmetal with red. Let me see. I can't tell if okay. So I don't know. I kind of think that this metal kind of reminds me of like fall, Halloween kind of themed. So I kind of did that. So I made a necklace, and I used the toggle clasp, and I just did it with this. And I made this. I thought this was really cute. So I just attached the chain, and then I did little head pins. And I just did this. So I have that. And then, let me, okay. So then for this other set, I made a jewelry set. So I made the bracelet. So I kind of did the same. I really liked these little red things, with the gunmetal bead caps. So I did that, made a little charm out of that, used some of my red seed beads, and just a lobster clasp. So I made this. I thought this was pretty. Made this. Then I'm gonna leave it on the, hold on. I will put up pictures at the end, but this turned out really cool, and I kind of want to put this flat when I show it to you so that you can kind of see what it looks like. I don't know if you can kind of. So it's, here's earrings. And that necklace is supposed to match this. And then here's the necklace. So you can kind of see it. Now I'll take it off so you can see it against here, and then I'll also have pictures up. So here's the earrings. Thought these are really pretty. And then you had this bracelet to go with it. So I liked these. They're kind of simple, minimalistic, but yet they, you know, they have some color, and just, I just liked the vibe from these. Okay. And then I fell in love with this necklace. Let me lay it down flat so you can see it. Let me move these out of the way here. So, yeah. So I used some of my own beads, and these were actually from Sam's Bead Box. And these were all mine. So all the red was mine, and the black and everything. The only thing that was from Bargain Bead Box was the metal components. So yeah, but I just think this turned out really cool, and I really do think it has kind of like a little, could be fall, it could be dressy, it could be almost like a Halloween. I don't know. Like if someone was dressing up, or this could be, you know, for something fancy, like maybe a little boho wedding, or, you know, just a night out, fun piece like that. This, the earrings, that, and then my husband's blasting his music in his office. And then that, and then my one green piece. So yeah, I was really happy the way these turned out. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling all of the green beads with this metal. I wanted something, I guess, lighter, the lighter silver. It just kind of offset it more. Like if you look at kind of like that against it, it just, I don't know. Like if you look like this against that, it just like, I guess it was all the same level of color. Being a hair colorist, I deal with levels, you know, darker and lighter and all that. And so I wanted something, the lighter silver was more of a contrast that stood out from it. But yeah, I still was really happy with this month's bead box. I just wanted to use it up in a different way. So yeah. So this was what I made from Bargain Bead Box. And let me know down in the comments how you liked it. I would appreciate if you followed my channel, if you give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel, because it helps my algorithms. And if you leave a comment below, that really helps too. So thanks for watching this, and I have all my links below if you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or on Etsy, where I sell most of my jewelry. You can find the links below, and I have the link to Bargain Bead Box below as well. And I really appreciate you watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. You have a great day.